Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to adjust the pitch of your video on the 123apps.com application or website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone or on your device, and after that scroll down to the audio tools section and click on change pitch, which is the fourth option. After that you should select file, so tap on open file and then select the video you want to edit, click on upload, and here tap on the page button at the top of this section, and here you can find this slide down below. If you want to reach a higher frequency, tap on this button and drag it to the right side of the slide. Tap on the play button to check out how it sounds.
Hello guys.
If you want to reach a lower frequency or a lower pitch, tap on this green button and drag it to the left side and then check out how it sounds. So adjust it to the relevant place according to your preferences. If you want to, you can also use this equalizer, and here you can find a bunch of aspects and features: classic, dance, club, full bass treble, laptop speakers, party pop, and so on. So you can adjust these according to these aspects. And if you are done, click on the save button down below in the right side corner of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.